Good morning, everyone.
My name is Gladys Chloe Armacan.
My name is Margaret R. Chavez. My name is Jemari D. Cabanero.
My name is Narine Busalo.
My name is Carmelio Carrillo.
The title of our story is about drugs.
How are you?
It's by a drug.
Okay, sure. Hello. Did you have drugs?
Yes.
Can I buy? 2 packs.
Only 10,000 pesos.
Okay. Thank you. You can use it.
It's
It's
so
so
yummy.
good. We're gonna buy this later.
Yes.
Where's Shimmering? Why she's running?
Where are you going?
Why Chimmer is running? Oh no! This.
For how many years? Chimaris.
Zero green. I will use this gun to kill people.
Did you know that using drugs can give you bad effects? So focus on the video.
Ng pampatibay ng butong matamlay.